In a world where every brand is a digital, a traditional degree just isn't enough. To lead in today's market, you need more than a classroom, you need a launchpad. I am Shikha Singh and at KK Modi University, we are building the marketing leaders of tomorrow. Our specializations in marketing goes beyond the basics. We dive deep into the three pillars that actually matters: data-driven analytics, content strategy, and performance marketing. We have removed the puff and replaced it with skills that the global companies are hiring for right now. But here's what really sets us apart. You won't just read about campaigns, you will run them from mastering SEO to decoding algorithms. Our live industry projects give you the hand-on experience to walk into any boardroom with confidence. Whether you want to lead a corporate giant or launch your own startup, we bridge the gap between the theory and the reality. We don't just teach you how to follow trends, we give you the tool to create them.